Hello everyone. These are Energizer Max AAA alkaline batteries, 1.5 voltage, mercury free, and leak resistant, long lasting power. I ordered these batteries to replace the one on my LG TV remote. So we're going to replace the battery on this remote. On the right side, positive goes on the top, the negative on the bottom. On the left side, negative on the top and positive on the bottom. Then you slide the cover back up. This is how to replace the battery on your LG remote with Energizer Max battery. Deserves your attention. Thank you very much.